Morning, everyone. It's Friday. Hope everyone's in a good mood. I got the weekend ahead of us, SEC tournament. I'm a big Cats fan, so I'm excited about today's game against Bama at 1 o'clock. But now let's get into some real talk here, some economic talk. This morning, retail sales dropped 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Consensus was negative 0.2%. Actual positive 0.3%. That's for retail sales month-to-month change. Retail sales less auto. The consensus was just flat 0%, and the actual was a gain of 0.8%. So some positive retail data there this morning. Futures really looking good into the open. You know, we had I was looking at the S&P futures here. We had a really strong push to the upside around 5 a.m. Although, you know, it was like a 20-minute rally. I'm not sure if that had to do with some international information or some overseas markets. But anyway, we had that initial leg to the upside and some consolidation. Then, of course, high volume upside action on that retail sales data. If you look over, you know, here's the action and here's the high volume that you see. If you look over here, same type of situation with the NASDAQ. And, you know, we just had a spike in volume here. And we had a spike in upside action here. Just some consolidation into the open, but it looks like we're due for a gap to the upside. Gold tanking. We've fallen from around 11.19.5. Right now it's at 11.08.5. And up here at top left, we've got crude, and you can see we had a strong gap to the upside at the open, but it's fading. Basically, just filled that entire gap. So all in all, some weakness here in crude after the open, but you know, we might see a bounce back. Nat gas here in the middle is flat. We've just got, you know, slight tilt to the upside, kind of channeling to the upside in a really flat manner. And finally over here to the far right, we have the US dollar futures, and we have a strong gap to the downside. Right now we've got a bit of an ascending triangle into this gap, so we may see some action into that gap, which could fare for some nice strong upside potential, which of course when you're talking futures we're talking strong profit potential. So if you can get some, you know, if we get some action into that gap and it even fills half of that gap, you're looking at a pretty strong move. So market just opened. Let's get into this. Hope everyone has a great Friday and good luck.